thanks for tuning in again today to my channel. I'm actually heading to New York today from Washington DC. Left a little bit in the morning early, but already catching up with some traffic, as you can see here. Normally DC to New York is about 3.5, 4 hour drive, depending how fast you go. But with traffic, you're looking at about maybe 5 or more. You know, it depends. But it's a smooth ride, and then you have the tolls that you have to pay, close to $70. I heard the price have been going up. So I'm actually taking my cousin to New York today. He just got here from Cameroon. So meet Dylan. All right.
Hi.
So gonna be trying to meet up with a couple of friends down in New York, and show you guys a couple of my favorite restaurants there. New York pizza is world known. It's really good, and there are tons of great places to go to. So weather permitting, I will be able to take you guys to New York with me and show you guys some of these restaurants and rooftops and things, and show you guys what the Twin Towers used to stand, some of the main tourist things that people do when they go to New York. So again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Still going at it, guys. We are just crossing the border now with Delaware, heading towards Philadelphia. I just can't wait to get there. I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. Just hit the road early. So what's your favorite thing to do in New York? I'm curious. Me personally, I've done all those sites, so I'm more interested in the food. That's my main thing. And I hope to talk to my buddy who's down there about real estate a little bit. New York is one of the states that lost the most amount of people due to the pandemic. The lockdown there was really long, and many people couldn't handle it, so they left. And also they're having a resurgence in the security issues, so that took down, several people just decided to leave. So it'll be interesting to see, the perspective from my friend who lives there in the city, how things are looking now, as we're coming off this pandemic, hopefully. Anyways, put some comments below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me the GPS. Look, I have about 1.5 hours, but then this traffic here, 45 minutes additional, and I can smell the rubber here. Somebody's was pressing the brakes like crazy. They probably had some kind of accident, so that's the thing about driving to New York. Is I prefer driving than taking a bus, but sometimes it doesn't make that much of a difference when it comes to time, because when you hit traffic like this, you're all stuck anyway. Oh boy. So I hope there's gonna be some good pizza waiting for me in New York. Guys, we made it here to New York City. So we're gonna get on the Lincoln Tunnel right here. You can see New York from a distance up there. We are just about 20 minutes away from downtown New York City. It was a pretty smooth ride. A couple accidents on the way, but we made it. So gonna drop off the car at the garage somewhere, and go ahead and venture in the city, guys. One more toll, doesn't end. I don't even know how many of them I've crossed so far. So many of them to get up here, my gosh. Shout out to all the New Yorkers watching this video. Shout out to New York City, the big city of dreams, the Big Apple. We made it here. Smooth ride today. I just passed the toll, and literally I drove for what, a minute, And guess what? Another one. It doesn't end. And you see the traffic here, guys? So behind me is actually New Jersey, and this is the official entrance to into New York. So it's $16 for cars, and this is like I said, like the fifth or the sixth. To driven here, this is about the time where I get lost. So, and I'm gonna be parking my car, and then basically just going around in Ubers and taxis, because there's driving and then there's driving in New York City, and that's a whole nother ball game. And I'm not comfortable, fighting this New York traffic. So hopefully, if the weather cooperates, I will be able to get a couple of things done today and tomorrow. And so, I hope I can catch up with Marwa, who's going back, to Africa. So that'll be a good time to catch up with him. We've done DC, Philadelphia, Colombia, Mexico City together. And this is going to be, I think, the fifth or sixth city where I meet him. And it's always fun to catch up with him. So guys, if you're watching this and you don't know who Marwa is, I'll put his link on the description below here, and you can, follow up with him.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
We're looking at about, the parking is about $50 a day. And that's the discounted price. New York is expensive, man. It is so crazy. Anyways, I did make contact with Marwa, who happens to be here in New York, and we are going to meet up. So I got to walk about 20 minutes to get there. So we are here about to engage in this little walk. This is right downtown. We're not too far from Times Square area, and that's the spot. You see, pedestrians in New York, they don't wait, like, they just cross right away. They don't wait. Everybody's in a hurry in New York. So we're on 9th, about 10 minutes away from Times Square area. This is what we have going on right here in this neighborhood. Bike lanes, tons of shops. Burger World. One thing you're not gonna be you're not gonna have a hard time with is finding a place to eat. Man, New York got you covered. It's, to me, the best part of the city is the food. So We are here in Hell's Kitchen with Sultan and Marwa.
Hey, what's up, guys?
All
It's
right.
Marwa again here. Though I'm wearing the same clothes, but it's some new day.
So it's a new day, right?
Yes, man.
We're looking for food here in Hell's Kitchen, trying to find a place.
Yeah.
And we got Dylan back there, being all shy.
Yes.
Right.
So, Sultan is our boss. Yes, thank you.